What is going on today, guys? Happy Wednesday. It is April the 13th, and again, another wild market. Wild market. I mean, I just have to say it like that because there's really no other words to explain it, and I had to sing it as well to emphasize how much of a whirl this market is giving me. But here we go. Let's break it down, guys. Let's break it down. Dow, S&P, Nasdaq up in the after-hour session. Throughout the day, let's see. Market open. Markets were red. It was heading towards going into deep red range, and then I think it was towards 9-10 o'clock Pacific time. That's when the market started turning around, heading towards a bullish reversal. And wow, did they ever! What a turnaround today was. Considering the volatility in the markets stimulated by inflation and all the rest, this market, the United States, NYSE, does not give a shit, to put it in simpler terms. There could be 20 wars going on, a recession, everything, and the market will still be bullish. It blows my mind. And of course, in terms of my positions and what, I was holding, of course I want to be bullish. But in terms of technicals and looking at a lot of different analytics, you would definitely make a claim that the market is heading into a downtrend, but not today. Not today. Maybe tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow we'll see a red day, but I mean, I don't know. I genuinely think that there's going to be a bullish uptrend heading into tomorrow. So in terms of my predictions, I've been pretty solid on them in terms of where I'm seeing the market going in terms of direction. So, I mean, you guys watch these videos, get educated. I mean, I'm not really educating. I'm just more like stating, what's already there and sharing my opinions and my style and everything. But let's break her down. First play we're going to be talking about today is SoFi, and this all-time lows today. All-time lows today. All-time lows today. I'm emphasizing that because I was just talking about this in a previous video about SoFi regarding the support. We don't know what the support's going to be because these are in all-time low territories, but at the same token, you have to risk it for the biscuit. And that's exactly what I did here. So earlier today, when the market downtrended, this is what I was talking about. When the market was in a downtrend, like it was pump faking like it was going to go red, which it did, and then it went red, and then it was like pump faking like whether or not it was going to go ultra red, like deep red, or is going to turn around, and bam, that thing just ripped to the upside. So I was fortunate enough to get in at a 730 average, got out around 760, and then I re-entered at, I think, in the 750s again heading into tomorrow. I'm very bullish on the name. I'm extremely bullish on SoFi. For many reasons, the company, there's a solid financial company. Balance sheet revenue is expected to be 40% increase year over year. And I mean, I'm blown away. So I have no problem telling you guys this is a buy in my honest opinion. So SoFi, let's get it cracking. Let's get back to $10. Let's go. Next name we're going to talk about here is BBIG. This one pissed me the F off today, and I'm just going to keep it simple. Why? Because the movement effing sucked. You had a monster mover like Ater, yeah, ate him up those shorts apparently because that thing squeezed, right? And in the past, I've noticed that Ader and BBIG have moved, uh, not necessarily together, but they have moved like in kind of the same time range. Uh, I've seen that before. That's why I made the relation to them. Again, if you guys follow me on Stock Twitch, you're gonna get live updates, live opinions. It's free. It's 100% free. I'll never charge you guys. Go follow my Stock Twitch. It's gonna be in the bio. I'll also remind you guys at the end of the video, but let me just say that one more time right now. Yeah, but BBIG, absolutely nothing. Absolutely nothing. I was watching it between the ranges of 265 to 270 as a buy. And I mean, yeah, like you buy in that range. I mean, but you look at the wicks, look at the candles.
I mean, it is just so weak. The volume may be there, right, in BBIG, but it is just so freaking weak. The movement up was just like I mean, I don't even know what to say. Like there's like I don't know. In terms of my overall outlook on BBIG, I think that it's going to short squeeze personally. I do believe that this will go to 350 when it does. Obviously, right now you see these weak candles. It's it's not a high. It's not a heavy momentum play that I like. It's not a very liquid play where there's a ton of shares being traded. I mean, there is the volume, but I mean, I don't know. Like this, it's just an extremely weak name right now. I do believe it will short squeeze though, so keep that on the radar, and I will be monitoring it for when that momentum starts building up. Let's move on to Cassava Sciences, another name that I've been talking about today. Absolutely phenomenal rise. I mean, it rose substantially well. That's the 12th. Here's the 13th. Okay, here's the chart for today. Again, everything downtrended, and then bam, upside. Bam, upside. Bam, upside. That's $1.50 money. That's $1.50 money. Easy. Okay, sorry. I won't say easy. Actually, I'm happy I said easy. Nothing is easy in the stock market. Anyone says, "Oh, this is easy money. Buy this. This is easy." They're talking out their ass. And yeah, maybe you bought something and somebody had recommended it saying it was easy and you made money. But I'm telling you, do not live off the mentality that things are easy. Never believe that because things are not easy, especially in the stock market. Just a little side note, guys. I have to explain that because I've been there. I thought everything was easy. I thought I had everything figured out. I made like 50,000 on some oil back in oil play bore drilling in 2020. I thought everything was easy. I thought everything was bliss, and I lost a lot of it. So the moment you think things are easy, the moment you take your foot off the gas pedal, is the moment you will get slaughtered. So always stay vigilant, always stay prepared, always stay ready for what is going to come. And that is my best advice to you guys. And I'll always remind you good advice every single day because I wish I had that when I started out trading back in like 2019. That would have been phenomenal. But I didn't have that. So learning as much as I have on the way here, I'm going to share that with you guys. Whoever's watching my videos, I want you guys to do good. That's the bottom line. That's why I make these videos. I make them for you. I don't make them for myself. I do make them for myself in the sense that I like to help you guys, and that's what I want to do. So, yeah. Anyways, back to Sava. Absolutely phenomenal name. It's still in a buy range. It's still in a buy range. Anything under 30, in my opinion, is a time to accumulate. Is a time to accumulate. If there's a downtrend of any sort, I would just continue to accumulate. That's my whole take on cassava, and that's for that name. Let's move on to another one, MRIN, Marin Software Incorporated. This one, another very weak in this one, not another. This one in particular is a very weak one in terms of volume. BBIG is different. BBIG has a ton of volume, but it has just as much short and sell pressure as much as it does buy pressure. So that's why you had those wicks the way they were. It was being obviously like hedged, and market movers were doing that crap. But here with MRIN, you see a massive opportunity. You see a massive opportunity for a short squeeze to the upside. Not all time lows, but lows. Wait, was it all time? Is that all time lows? I have no idea. Anyways, but I definitely hit 52-week lows here, I believe. Um, don't quote me if I'm wrong, or quote me if I'm wrong. Yeah, quote me if I'm wrong. Anyways, in terms of a short squeeze play, this one is another one to keep on your radar. I initiated a position. I made a little bit of money today. I decided to get out because weak volume honestly scares me, and I don't want to be put in a situation where I need to get out of a position and I have a big chunk of shares that won't sell because no one's on the bid. So always remember that. Go for high momentum. High momentum. Well, I mean, obviously if it's your style. My style is more so go for those high volume, go for those high momentum plays, and let's get it popping. Okay, next is going to be Camber Energy. This one I am very disappointed about. I bought it earlier this morning at 69 cents and I sold it at 71, 72 cents because it looked very weak. It looked very freaking weak. But what does it do? What does this piece of garbage do? It blasts to the upside like I said it would. Like I said it would on my stock twits. I 100%. You can go and check my stock tweets. There's a post about Caber Energy that I posted yesterday where I said this was going to bomb. But because of the weakness this morning, I didn't like staying into it, especially since of the large position that I had in it. I got out with that profit. But I mean, damn, look where it went. 86, 87 cents from that 70 from my 72-cent sell. I mean, that's a 15-cent gap, which realistically I would have sold in the 80-cent range anyways, but this is a tough one. To really determine whether the momentum is going to build or not it's really tough. But I'm overall still happy I made money on it. It wasn't a losing trade, and that's all that matters. But I mean, damn, it sucks. Anyways, let's move on to probably the biggest miss of in a while. Actually, not in a while. There's been a lot of misses by me in terms of 100 to 300% plays plus. KLDO. This was one I was looking at very, very hyperactively. I was looking at this like a freaking hawk is looking for its prey, and I was trying to find an entry. No. Sorry, I'm not trying. I found the entry. I said 24 cents get in. 24 cents get in. Pre-market, there were huge buys coming in. Look at these. Look at the volume right here. Look at those volume spikes. Huge volume came in, and I didn't take the position. I don't know what the hell came over me because I knew this was going to sky. I knew it. Not that it's easy, not that it's that. It's because I looked at the massive volume in terms of the buy side. And what does it do? It goes straight to the north side. Now, the reason why there's so much volatility with this name is because they have news of voluntarily delisting from the NASDAQ. So that's awful news, guys. But at the same token, these huge buyers, hedge funds, etc., they will take advantage of these moments to pump the crap out of a stock before it delists. Okay, so I mean, this was one of those that it really freaking sucks. It really does. Did I chase it at all once it started making its way to the upside? No, I did not. Once a stock already has gained enough traction, I don't like to chase. Only a few occasions will I, and I'll keep a type stop loss, but that's it. So Camber Energy, KLDO, the winners, but also the losers. But technically not a loser. It's just I didn't hold, I didn't buy KLDO, CEI, didn't hold, whatever. And again, guys, SoFi, BBIG, Cassava Sciences. Another one is Fubo. I didn't discuss Fubo, but Fubo is also another one to keep an eye on. MRIN. Yeah, and CEI and KLDO were more just misses of the day. In terms of potential profit could have been made, but another day, another dollar. Let's focus on tomorrow, and let's see how the markets are doing right this moment. Looking green, guys, right here. You can see the Dow Jones, S&P, Nasdaq looking green, looking solid. Um, I'm optimistic heading into tomorrow. I mean, let's see a bullish move, guys. So again, guys, if you like the content, make sure to like, subscribe, turn on notifications, do whatever you got to do. I don't care. My stock tweets will be in the bio like usual. Follow me on stock tweets. You want live updates every day? I'm there. I try to post as much as I can throughout the hectic trading day. And again, your guys' support, anything means the world to me. I hope you understand that. You mean the world to me, whoever you are watching this, and I will do always my best every single day to give you great advice and make you a better trader and a better day trader and make myself a better day trader in all of this because this is great. It feels amazing being able to do this for you guys. So again, guys, follow the stock twits, drop a like, comment, any questions, any plays you want me to look at. Done deal, guys. Let's get it tomorrow. All right, guys. Peace.